Kind of mad about it. Not even gonna hold you. What you talking about, like, honey? Look, a person got on lashes and think they all that. And do. Material girl. Hold on. Hold on.
In a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left.
What's the YouTube? It's your girl Mikhail and I'm back with another YouTube video. So in today's video, y'all, it's going to be a vlog. Tomorrow I'm going to Fort Lauderdale for a week and I'm going to be filming everything that happens on the trip. But before we do all of that, I want to welcome everybody back to my channel. If you are a new returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video. So let's get into it. Currently, y'all, I am packing, but I'm going to start in the bathroom with my toiletries since it's going to take less time. I already have my clothes out and everything. I just need to iron them and pack them. Also, y'all, the camera quality might be a little different. I'm filming on my phone right now because I didn't feel like getting my camera. Y'all, I was in the middle of filming on my camera. I had switched to try to get better quality. And then the SD card went corrupt, so I lost 8 minutes of this video already. Kind of mad about it, not even gonna hold you. I was doing an unboxing and thanking the Divine Taurus for the goodies that she sent me for Christmas. I'm gonna go through it again because obviously y'all can't see that. I just lost all that footage. But here's the card. She sent me a cute little note as well. Make sure y'all follow all her social medias and subscribe to her channel. The first thing she sent me was a lip smacker. She sent me a blinged out face mask. Next, she sent me a Louis Vuitton bonnet. Let me turn this way so y'all can see it a little better. It's so freaking cute, y'all. And then finally, I believe these are some sunglasses. I'm gonna sit y'all down for a second. Definitely taking these on my trip as well. It's giving celebrity vibes. You know those glasses that the celebrities be wearing? And you know, like, to try to hide their identity. You said something to me? I can't hear you. I got my shades on. But again, thank you so much for the gift and the note that I was left. It really meant a lot to me because sometimes I do need to be reminded that I do have people out there who are truly supporting me and rooting for me, because there are days when I feel down and don't feel like doing anything. But this literally made my entire day. I moved y'all in here because it's way better lighting in this part of the room than it is in the bathroom. So I'm just going to be moving back and forth. And I'm not really going to be talking much. I'm probably just going to put some music on and speed this up.
I just want to chill and twist the lie. Catch stunts in my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me. I provide everything you need and I like your smile. I don't want to see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and I hope you can come up with the answers, baby. Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down? And how would you still have love for me? Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down? And how would you still have love for me? If I fell off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still hug me? If I got locked up and sentenced to a quarter century, could I count on you to be there to support me mentally? If I went back to a hoopty from a Benz, would you poof and disappear like some of my friends? If I was hit and I was hurt, would you be by my side? If it was time to put in work, would you be down to ride? I get out and peel a nigga cap, chill and drive. I'm asking questions to find out how you feel inside. If I ain't rap cause I flip burgers at Burger King, would you be ashamed to tell your friends you're feeling me? In the bed, if I use my tongue, would you like that? If I wrote you a love letter, would you write back? Now we can have a little drink, you know, a nightcap, and we can go do what you like. I know you like that, like that. Girl, it's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down? And how would you still have love for me?
next day.
Hey y'all, so I'm here at my dad's house and I didn't really vlog today because it wasn't nothing to really vlog. Also, ignore that, something bit me on my nose. I'm gonna look for a movie for us to watch and we're gonna eat and chill for the rest of the night. But I wanted to check in with y'all since I didn't vlog anything today. All I really did was we were on the road. Well, before I left, I had to go to Walmart and get a couple things that I needed. And then around like 3 something, my dad came and got me. And we were on the road for like 2-3 hours. And once we got to his house, I just showered, got comfortable. See my little bonnet. You see my bonnet. You already know where the bonnet's from. But yeah, there's nothing really going on right now, but I'll definitely pick up the camera tomorrow and give y'all another update. I was supposed to call Bree like hours ago, but I didn't have any reception. Then I'm gonna call my mom and my grandma, check on everybody at home. Say hey to my vlog. All you had to do it like that. All you had to do is say hey.
Hey, hey, hey.
Y'all, we're in Publix. Getting ready to get some subs. What you looking at?
There's a lady making 6 subs, and you gotta go and tell them, oh, don't do that.
You talking about like I ain't say that about that lady. Y'all got a mass gate down here?
Yeah.
549 150 190 190.
Oh, y'all don't stop for pedestrians down here, huh?
Girl, you in the city now.
That's city life.
I wish I could paint all of these moments in vibrant. You wordplay turns into gunplay, gunplay turns into pillow talk, pillow talk turns into sweet dreams turn into coffee in the morning. We talk street art and sarcasm, crass humor in high fashion. Peach color moon glistens the plot thickens as we laugh over shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath you for daring, would you rather? A cold flame, the thrill and no shame. Drugs, sex and Polaroid. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could paint all of these moments in vibrant. You wordplay turns into gunplay, gunplay turns into pillow talk turns into sweet dreams turn into coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning.
Hey y'all, we're on our way to the beach. I'm gonna change, I guess, in one of their little bathrooms, but it's what I have on for today. I took off all my jewelry and everything. I had my camera to film or whatever, and some water, my towel and all that other stuff. And it is, y'all can't see that, but it's 12:13. You ready? Hey to the vlog.
Hey, Hey, everyone.
So y'all, my dad went back to go see if we have an umbrella or something because it is hot out here. Y'all, it's been like, it's a terrible place to be vlogging, but it's been a crazy couple of days, so I haven't picked up the camera since I got here. And I don't know if I'll talk about it in this video or if I'll make a separate video, but it's been quite the week, let's just say that. And I'm glad that we're finally getting to relax, and hopefully I'll get to take some cute pictures because look, your girl looking good. As soon as my dad gets back, y'all, we're gonna go change and then I will pick up the camera again later. Did you find my glasses? Yeah, and can you grab that black headband while you're in there? Thank you.
I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep. It's the smell in your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable like this. Old souls have found a new religion. Now I'm swimming in that sin. Baptism, peace color skies reveal a sunrise. Until we lost angels discover salvation. Don't you wish we could run away now? Yes, let's. Drugs, sex, and Polaroids. Pick a star in the sky. We could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could be alone, baby. Love these moments.
Taco Bell was out front when we walked in. 216, yeah. Oh, these elevators. I don't do elevators.
Wanna take them stairs?
No, I don't do stairs either. So y'all, I just put on my bathing suit. I'm about to put up my hair and then put on some shorts. I'm surprised that I can still fit this bathing suit because I've had it for like years. But I also have some sunscreen, y'all. It must be in the other bag, but it's the Black Girl sunscreen. I'm looking for this one so my edges don't get messed up. Y'all, I'm just waiting for my dad and then we'll head down. Sorry, I got distracted. I'm just waiting for my dad and then we'll head down to the beach. But here's an overview of the place. You put on the sunscreen? Y'all, this is the sunscreen I was talking about. You put some on your face? I don't like feeling oily. Put some on my arms and stuff, my legs. We're here, y'all. Period. You see me. Can't tell me nothing. I got my glasses on now. Wash them off. So the sand is hot. I'm gonna leave them right here. Woo! Water cold? Woo! We can put our feet in and call it a day. Y'all, we're in the water a little bit, not all the way because this water is cold. Hold on. Hold on. Y'all, I'm coming back up. Just go put my phone back so I don't drop it in the water. And I switched my phone to protect my camera from the sand and all of that. I hope y'all can see me because I can't really see at the sand. But that water is really, really cold. Hold up. I'll check back in with y'all later.
Much later.
Hey y'all, so the plans have changed a little bit. So instead of going out to eat tonight, we'll go out to eat tomorrow so I can eat with my sister. And we're going back to Los Olas, so I'm just gonna freshen up and throw on a simple outfit. Over this. I'll show y'all how it looks when I put it on. And excuse how I look, y'all. I've been asleep, so I look a little wild.
No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. She just moved right up the block from me, and she got the hots for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. But oh no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, but that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting, and in no time, I better make this one mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home. But there's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said, you don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know how niggas start acting trippin'. I heard about they girls. No way, hey, Nelly gon' fight over no day. Hey, as you can see, but I like your steez, your style, your whole demeanor, the way you come through and holler and swoop me in. It's too sweet, now that's gangsta. And I got special ways to thank you. Don't you forget it, but it ain't that easy for you to back up and leave him. But you and Dirty got ties for different reasons. I respect that. And right before I turned to leave, she said, you don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you.
Okay, y'all, this is how I'm looking now. I'm gonna put some lip gloss on later. And I'll take this off when my edges are done being laid. It's the outfit. Hang on, it's a mirror outside this bathroom. Also, my dad's playing music, so I won't be talking so I don't get copyrighted. Y'all, I got my battery charging. It's not done yet. I might just take it downstairs and let it finish charging. And I'll try to save so much power on this one. And then if it dies, I'll just vlog on my phone. Phone, not a phone. I don't know why I keep saying that.
Is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. Okay.
y'all, so we're here. I know y'all can barely see me. We're paying for our parking ticket now. So y'all, we're walking and it's a bunch of pretty lights out here. I already recorded this when we were driving by, but I'll show y'all again. It's kind of hard to see. But hey y'all, so I did use the bathroom real quick, but we're looking for something to eat. And I can't really talk to y'all outside because it's really loud music playing and I don't want to get copyrighted and y'all probably can't hear me anyway. But after I get out the bathroom, we're going to find something to eat. And then I'll check in with y'all when we're sitting down or something like that.
In a quarter mile, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto East Sunrise Boulevard. Continue on East Sunrise Boulevard for 1 mile.
Hey y'all, so everything at Los Olas was closed, so we came to IHOP and we got our menus and we're getting ready to order something. Y'all, our drinks just came. We ordered a lemonade with iced tea. And we also ordered some waters, but they don't give silverware here, they just give plasticware, so we don't really need the water anymore. Y'all, our food just came. Look at you making a mess. We got the buffalo chicken melt. This sugar right here.
Terrible.
Make your own drink. You want more than one?
You want some rum? Half rum?
I'm going to get some friends.
Make this bad.
You want it on top or on the side? Let me know.
He fucking that shit up. Oh God!
Stop, y'all are being mean.
Good morning, y'all. So I didn't pick up the camera again last night because we got back at around 12:30, so I was really sleepy and just didn't feel like talking. But today we're going to the swap shop, and I came down to the downstairs bathroom to finish getting dressed. I got to do my hair, put on my jewelry, and finish my skincare. I am going to try my best to vlog at the swap shop. Y'all have seen the swap shop in a previous video, but this time I feel like it's going to be better since my channel's more established and I'm a little more comfortable vlogging in public.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, die and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib.
Alright y'all, I'm done getting dressed. You know my bracelets, y'all, they're making a lot of noise, but I'm done getting dressed. I straightened up the bathroom because I had my stuff laid out everywhere. Right now I gotta change out wallets because I have one that matches this dress. But after I do that, I'm gonna put on my shoes and then I'm pretty much ready. Besides my edges, they're just laying down. And then I'll show y'all the full fit when I'm done. Y'all, my skin has been looking so much better, like, except for this one little spot right here, but everywhere else, it's kind of glowing. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Look, a person got on lashes and think they all that and do. About to go to the kitchen and get some scissors to get that little tag off my bag. And I'm sure y'all hear my shoes. I don't know why they make so much noise. Like, I have 2 pairs of shoes that do that, and it's really aggravating. There's a table right here. Put y'all right here. So I have a couple more things to do and then I'll be completely ready. I gotta put on my shoes and then take a couple things back upstairs. I also brought me a jean jacket. I'm probably not gonna need it since it's gonna be hot. Bringing that backpack with me because it has my camera stuff in it. And then these are the shoes I'm wearing. I had these on yesterday, but only for like an hour or 2 because I changed into those other slides and I went to the beach. Material girl. And I get it from my man. Oh man, bust down. You can't stand me. Material girl. Brand new Chain City girls going platinum. I keep a baby Glock. I ain't fighting with no random period. You see my number in his phone, like you acting curious. But y'all, this is the outfit. Got the matching bag. Purse. Hey y'all, so we just made it to the swap shop. We're about to eat. We had picked up some food from Publix, and then my dad's gonna go find some ice because Publix ain't had no drinks. Those little lemonades and iced teas that they be having, they didn't have any in their refrigerator section. My dad got carrot juice, and then I got fruit punch. Hold on. I got fruit punch, y'all. And I sanitized this table and everything because, y'all, I'm not playing with this COVID stuff. Like, it's nice to be out of town, but we still got to be as safe as possible. So I sanitized this table and everything, and I'm about to wash my hands and eat, and then we'll go. I had to look for my mom a gift, and my grandma wants a wallet. Keep it to yourself.
Yeah, walking around like.
He think that's how the kids at school be. They be blasting music on their screens like, if you don't turn that crap off, like, nobody want to hear that. So y'all, we got wraps from Publix. I bet he think he cool doing that too. He think he all that. You want oil and vinegar? I don't know what they do. Here it is, y'all. Thank you. Thank you, Lord, for the food we're about to receive, for the nourishment of our bodies through Christ's sake. Amen. Yeah, God about to say, hold on now, hold on. I'm gonna come back to y'all when we're done eating and doing something else. Y'all can watch me eat. I mean, heck no. Black wallet there. Like, hi. Hey y'all, so we're done eating. I was looking for a wallet for my grandma. She wants like a specific type. I'm also gonna like get me a little outfit too before I go back to school. Oh, look at those. That is so pretty. They expensive out here. Trying to take a person's little pocket change. So we're gonna go upstairs. Huh?
Come on.
Y'all, we're going upstairs. Hold up. Guys, look what I'm doing. Probably gonna fail. Bust some. Ooh, they say they got everything $2. It's the thought that counts. I found some jeans. I'll show y'all later, but they was $30. Not happy about that. You should have told me beforehand that I could talk that lady down. At least $5. Because that lady, she was not about to let me leave unless I bought something.
Later that same evening.
I'm too sexy for this chain. Too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah. I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, okay. I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped a Tesla, now she gonna let you. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro housing. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy? Well, tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send them back to metro housing. Yeah. Too sexy for this too sexy for your girl, too sexy for this.
Hey y'all, so I'm here with my dad and my sister.
What's up? My bad.
And we just got our food. We all got what we got?
Chicken Alfredo.
Chicken Alfredo. And we had some salad.
Mm-hmm. Bussin'. Okay.
Hold up. Hold up.
Oh. Y'all ready for me to do it?
Do what?
No, no ma'am.
You don't want me to do it?
No ma'am.
Why not?
No, please don't.
My dad don't want me to do my famous lifestyle.
You enjoying your meal? Enjoying?
I enjoyed it. It was good. It was good.
That was too good. Let's get the bell per. With them 2 little bites you took.
Mm-hmm. Girl being thick over here. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to get a to-go plate. That salad filled me up. Y'all, we just made it back and I'm about to take me a quick shower, but I forgot to show y'all the outfit before I left. This is what I wore, y'all. I had on heels earlier, but I just took them off. And it's, I think, 30 minutes into New Year's. So if I don't pick up the camera again, Happy New Year's to all of y'all.